excited as I am. Hey guys, it's Adam. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here. Today we got a keyboard. Yes, a keyboard. Please just wait, hold on, relax. I've spent a lot of hours. So many hours. A lot of hours. Just trying to find a keyboard that is like not too clicky clacky, not too loud. She likes, I guess, clicky clacky and being loud. You know, trying to find a keyboard that's not too loud, something that I can use in the office, but then also have a little bit of, a little bit of that, tactile feel. So stay tuned. We're gonna unbox it. We're gonna get a kind of a first impressions. And then what we're gonna go and do is we're gonna do a little bit of a sound test. So I have an Apple keyboard. I've got a Logitech MX Keys keyboard. As a side note as well, you can go into LOFREE's website. I believe when I did this, and this is like January 2024, it was like a 15 to 28 day lead time. And I was able to order this off Amazon and get it here in like 2 days. So I will put the Amazon link in the description below if you want to order it from there. I think you get it honestly a lot faster. Okay, let's get a little bit of a better look here on this keyboard. Slide this guy off. And here we go. Oh. If you have been used to using membrane keyboards, I mean, this thing sounds really nice. It is not very loud at all. The build quality here, I mean, I like doing my shake test. You guys know that. There is no rattling, nothing. Everything is really well built. The sides, there's this nice like LOFREE kind of brass plate. You do not get any adjustable feet here, but that's okay. And it's USB-C charging. Okay, so we are gonna do the LOFREE Flow typing and sound test here. Okay, let's take a look at the test results here. So 76 words per minute, 96% with 3 typos. So not too bad. Okay, now we have the Logitech MX Keys. This is a very, very common keyboard. Let's go ahead and start the test. All right, and the test results for the MX Keys. So we have 85 words per minute, 98%, only 1 typo. Okay, we have the Apple Magic Keyboard next. This is another really popular one, just like the Logitech. So let's go ahead and take the test and see also how it sounds. All right, so what do I think about the first impressions here? First impressions, I'm really pleased around the overall build quality. The fact that there's no shaking, there's no rattling, and you heard the typing test before, but I mean this sound. I think it is really, really quiet. I don't think that you would really disrupt anyone around you in a workspace. I do think if you went up from maybe the black keyboard, the tactile one, you might, in general. I'm really happy with this. I'll do a full review down the line, but I need to give it a little bit more time. Again, my name is Adam. This is my YouTube channel, and if you like this kind of video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. Thank you so much.